Whoa! What's up, you guys? I've got this package in from the guys at Capsul. It's an Individualist Lab kit, and we're gonna now unbox this. So Individualist Lab has been featured on the likes of Hypebeast and High Snobiety last year for their screen print kits. So what I have here is a frame. So here's your screen print activation kit. You have your gloves and a few stickers and all of that. This should be a spray to unclog the frame. Here's the size L blank t-shirt on which we're going to be printing. This is a full sleeve t-shirt. And of course, we have 4 palettes of ink, yellow, red, blue and black. And here you have the frame. So this is like a really high quality aluminium frame. I've done a lot of screen prints over the years for brands like Levi's and all of that. And we've always used a wooden frame, and this one's proper aluminium. It's nice, high grade. You have your screen right here with your exposed prints. You could reuse this frame over and over again. So I'm gonna keep like t-shirt prints really minimal, and as the days go by or as the weeks go by, as I wear it more, I'll keep adding on to it to make it look a little more different with every use. Essentially, it's a blank canvas, and you get to be the artist and do whatever you want on your very own blank canvas. Now, for people who have never done a screen print before, I must tell you it's a very simple, straightforward process. There's no need to be intimidated. In fact, this is interesting, like a proper DIY at home art project. So I'm going to walk you through the steps and you'll see for yourself how simple a process this entire thing is. Alright, so to begin with, I think I'm going to go with the back print, which is your Kung Fu Master. So I've got a bigger print on the back. And are you ready? Alright, let's do this. One brief stroke. The frame shouldn't move, so your print is as sharp as possible. If you keep running it back and forth, it'll get a little smudged. So the more pressure I've applied, it's gotten darker. The lighter pressure I've applied, it's a lot lighter. It's got a nice faded look to it. So that's the back print for you guys. I'm gonna let this dry, and also to treat it, you can either use a blow dryer on it to help it dry and treat it faster. If you don't have a blow dryer at home, you just place one of these sheets of parchment paper, and then you run your iron through it so it dries, and that way if you want to do multiple prints in the same area, you can get that going. If not, you can just wait for it to dry naturally. Now for the chest print, I have mixed a bit of yellow and black. Let's see what happens. I hope I'm placing it smack in the middle. Now I must tell you that I'm not a professional or anything at screen printing. I'm just trying to have some fun with this DIY thing. Alright, I'm done with this now, so I'm gonna go wash the screen and all of that, clean up this entire mess, and then I'm gonna slip into the tea to show you guys what it looked like. I'll have the link to Capsul in the description of this video, and also have the link to this specific t-shirt you can pick up and have a lot of fun with. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.